Okay, everyone, we're going to start off from my favorite stores, TJ Maxx and HomeGoods. Let's just look at coffee first. I think you have to sit down and get coffee and relax for this video because I do go in depth why I love these stores. Okay, now that we're here, TJ Maxx and Marshalls and HomeGoods are all the same. It just happens to be a two-in-one store. So first I'm going to look at the snacks. I love decorating pantries and all that, just the way that you would see on TV. I would insert ideas here. But I just love these very inexpensive items and they look expensive. I also liked the idea that I had for these. If I do find a picture, I will post it. I love organizing my fridge, so I bought these containers. I do have 3 kids, so my fridge gets really stocked up easily. So I picked these up, and they have a lot of good organization drawers. I also love these Lazy Susan acrylic. You could use it inside your fridge or anywhere that you think will look better. Because it is acrylic, it does make your space look a little bit bigger than it usually is. I've seen so many farmhouse jars like these where you just go ahead and write the name on them. I just love so many ideas with these. These are table runners. I love these because they make your table look very, very expensive and elegant. They had a lot of cute Kate Spade towels. These are very pretty. You decorate throughout the season. These Kate Spade towels are just gorgeous. This HomeGoods in particular had a lot of table mats. I love these. I love mats that you could easily clean up. Again, I do have kids, so it's very hard to maintain them. I go through these really, really fast. My color scheme is silver and white and anything that sparkles basically. But I love these. I found these mats, but I only found 3, so I did not buy these. I am a real person that usually likes collecting everything all at once. So if I didn't find anything, I just let it go. I see these anthropology jars everywhere I go, especially on pictures. I just love how a lot of people style these so well. Here's a few more sizes just to give you guys sort of an idea. A lot of people fill them up with candy, others with cookies. I love HomeGoods because it gives you a really nice perspective and color. So if you want to decorate in silver, they have a specific spot for silver. If you want to decorate with white, they have a specific spot for white. If you guys notice this tray, I do have the bigger version, but I found a smaller one, and I love everything that's diamonds. It makes your house look very glam and elegant, and that's exactly what I'm going for. You could find so many things that you would usually find at Z Gallery or Pottery Barn at a right price here at TJ Maxx and HomeGoods. These are just some of the pieces I found that are perfectly nice dupes. I also found these plates. They remind me of the 1500s era. If you guys like vintage items, these are a go-to place where you could actually find things like this. I also love the coffee cups and mugs that they have here. I love collecting these kinds of cups because they just are so good for Instagram. I have to admit, I love taking coffee pics. I also find a lot of furniture pieces, so one of my favorites was this bar cart. It looks so elegant, and this was just for $249.99. When you pick out wall art, it is very important that you choose the one that you love. You will be waking up every morning regretting your choice if you did not love a specific item, so make sure you guys overthink wall art. Believe me, when you start decorating your place, you want everything, even up to the forks and knives, to match your place. This is exactly what I'm going through. These are the very pickiest times that I could recall. You have to be very specific with your home decor because if one thing mismatches, you're not going to be able to sleep at night. When I first started shopping at HomeGoods, I never thought that Kate Spade did things like this. For example, these plates. I thought that Kate Spade only did purses. So when I came across these the first time, like 2 years ago, I was, to my surprise and shock, that Kate Spade did more than purses. Here are some faux fur blankets or throw blankets. These are an essential for every season to come. Like I said, I am obsessed with mirrors, so the mirror aisle is always a great way to expand your living room or your home decor space. I heard a tip once. This person said, don't just grab everything all at once, and it's so true. I did that mistake the first time I started decorating my house. Everything just mismatched. But now that I have a really nice sense, I love seeing these kinds of crystals all over. It really does expand your house even more, and it makes it look even more luxurious when you have a very nice flat out idea when you decorate. You have to really dig through everything and see what matches perfectly to your liking. Trust me, you guys are going to go back and forth on redecorating your house. This is exactly what I do every single day. I reorganize my furniture just so I could fit more things to it. Faux flowers are essential when you start decorating. You could really change them out towards the season as it changes. And I really love the way that they come out, and it makes your place look even more livingful, if that makes sense. Up next is Kirklands. Now Kirklands is a little bit expensive, and I am going to go brief on the next stores, otherwise this video is going to take ages. Kirklands is a really nice place to go seasonal. So last season I went was on Thanksgiving, and they had a lot of nice glitter pumpkins that were Z Gallery inspired. Now these places are a little bit more pricier than HomeGoods, but from time to time they have really good sales and deals. They also have a lot of canvases, and if you guys like that farmhouse style, this is a really good place to be because I feel like they always have farm home decor. I feel like Kirklands is a really good place to go if you have a sense of farmhouse decor. They have a lot of big furniture pieces that assemble that kind of decor. I am mentioning Kirklands because, like I said, it is seasonal, the times that I usually go, where they have a lot of cute decor. But right here you could see what I'm talking about. They have mostly like rustic kind of things. The canvases are not always that great, but when you find a good canvas, it's pretty pricey. But either way, it's not a regretful choice. The good side is that they also have a selection where they have sales like you see here. The great thing about this place too is that they have things that look like they are homemade. So if you guys are into Etsy or anything like that, this is a really nice place to come just to find a really nice piece that is not repeated throughout many stores. The next stop is Ross. Now for me, Ross is always a hit or miss, but from time to time you will find a great piece or a hidden gem. Now on a rare occasion you could find really beautiful canvases like this mosaic one that's about to appear for 1 second. Other times, like I said, you do have to really dig through everything that Ross has and really expand your mind. A year ago I ended up picking up these wall scones that you see right here in black, but I picked up in silver. These have a candle inside them with a mirror in the back. Now my idea was to take out the candle, put a faux flower in there on both of them, and probably little diamond rocks that you usually pick up at the 99-cent store, and really expand it out. It makes it look really luxurious. Now this plan I had in my head, which I still haven't achieved yet, but when time comes and I find the perfect flowers, I will put a picture on my Instagram so you guys could take a look. Probably it'll give you an idea or two as well. One of the things that Ross really carries are these gems right here. They carry so much of these kinds of gems and mosaic kind of things. I really love these. I know for Christmas they had some decor like this. I forget what they were, but I wanted to pick them up so bad and I went crazy and I couldn't find them. So hopefully this year in Christmas I go on time and I find what I'm looking for. I can't describe them because I can't remember, but I know that they were really nice and I wanted to pick them up. Next, it's Marshalls. Now I know I said that TJ Maxx, HomeGoods, and Marshalls are the same thing, but still I sort of think that Marshalls has a little bit of better furniture pieces than TJ Maxx by itself. As you could tell right here, so many of the end caps are full of decor and they're always stocked up very nice and neat. I just love going to Marshalls just for that particular reason. Right now is the season to get any faux plants around the house. I ended up picking one up last year. And also these mirrored tables I picked up last year. I wanted to pick that one up, or these specific tables, because they're really good when I edit and I want to watch Netflix in my living room. These are really good because they are a nice length. Also, if you guys are looking for wonderful pastel plates, again, right now is the season to go. It is going to be Easter, and I've seen so many great pictures out on the internet right now how people start decorating things like this. So here's another gem that I found here at Marshall's, or a few actually, and I feel like these are a little bit more unique than Ross, but still, like I said, these are very pretty out in sunlight, and if this is something that you guys are interested in, they are very inexpensive as well. Don't be afraid to add some greenery to your living space. Greenery actually lets out so much glam in your apartment or home. It actually makes it look more livingful. There was a lot of Rae Dunn cups. Rae Dunn seems to be a real big deal. I have no idea why, but I picked these $7.99 glass cups up right here that say salute and cheer, and some other ones that I also found. I ended up having a glam party, and these were great for mixing drinks in. These cups are really cute to give out for friends during Valentine's Day. They're already prepackaged for you. These are really nice also just to have for yourself. They come with a little gift inside them too, so it's very nice to see that they're only for $7.99. And these teacups are so great too that you see in the back right here, because they come with a little spoon, and you could actually make them as a 4-piece or a 2-piece set. Now, if you guys are really handy with tools, then the next stop is for you. The next stop is your local Goodwill or thrift store. I come here often looking for furniture pieces because I do like to rearrange my furniture often. But for you, if you love rearranging furniture or making brand new pieces, this is a place that you want to come first before you hit up anywhere expensive. It's the last store. If you guys love these kinds of videos, please let me know in the comments down below, and which part was your favorite part, or which store was your favorite part. Let me know down in the comments down below. Also, don't forget to follow my Snapchat and Instagram, where I actually take you guys along with me and actually shop via live. Well, sort of. But if you guys like these videos, go ahead and share, like, and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. Bye. You know that's gonna be in video.